How you doing? I'm Maya Keller, General Manager at Michaels Reno Power Sports. We're super excited to be up here supporting the District 36 at Donner Challenge. It's really a really cool venue to be able to ride on Donner Ranch. A lot of people come up here and ski, but to actually be able to come out and ride your dirt bike out here is amazing. It's a great spot, great venue, happy to be a part of it.
Okay, we're here at the prologue. Just be a nice little quick one. We're thinking maybe 20 minutes or so. So we're gonna, go for it, try to see if we can move forward. We're starting 125th right now.
How's it going, guys? This is Zach with Dirt Tricks. You hear all the bikes running up. We're about to go for the hard enduro up here at Donner Ski Ranch. Big thanks to Brian and Matt and everyone involved with this. It's an amazing event. We love to come out. This is our third year in a row going. We provide sprockets and rotors to all the racers out here. They need to be able to hold up to this gnarly terrain that we have here, and getting ready to get out there and tackle it for myself. So we'll see how it goes.
And nothing's ever going to go exactly as the plan, but you just need to buff it out. And it's going to buff it out as best you can and just go with like your highest and best. Like, okay, if I throttle it this hard and give it this much gas, there's a 99% chance if I'm fully committed, I'm going to get to the top of that.
Yeah, I think there's maybe the dust and the conditions will be tough. We're at elevation, so that's just going to fatigue us a bit. So the dust, we're breathing in dust for 2 hours. The elevation's going to, mess with us for 2 hours. So just fighting the conditions and pushing hard for the full 2 hours.
It's probably the best course yet. It's a little too hard for me, but it's fucking good. It's super fun.
I've been able to get up everything by myself, but just very slowly and methodically and safely as well as I can.
All right, a lot of hard work in the pro class today, but first place goes to the one, Tristan Hart.